Load King was founded in 1956 by Oscar Dwayne Hansen, who was my grandfather. It all started right across the street in the building behind me, which is today our main office. It started out as very small, basically one fit bay, one weld out bay, and one bay for paint and final assembly.
Custom truck came in actually a little over 10 years ago. So back in February of 2016, Load King was acquired, so it's been almost 10 years. So it's really cool seeing the 10-year anniversary and then also 70 for Load King as a whole. So this is our 70th year. Two really cool milestones.
Today we have multiple bays, 3 different assembly lines, a dedicated paint facility, a dedicated final assembly facility.
The main focus of Elk Point really would be producing trailers. We're looking at 55-ton RGN, 60, 65-ton. We've done custom hauling systems, which are always fun to see come through, pole and reel trailers, but we're also looking at expanding and diversifying what we build. So here recently, we started building trimmer bodies and landscape bodies that ship to our other facility out in Lynchburg.
The main focus is building trailers, as many as we can, as fast as we can.
Really what makes Elk Point special is just it's a unique location. We ship a lot of product out from here and it's kind of centralized here in the Midwest.
We have a very diverse workforce.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lan Nguyen. I'm a welder. I am the first Vietnamese working here.
As far as the Vietnamese integrating with everybody else, they fit in really well. A lot of those guys, actually the lead man in our fit up area is Vietnamese and he's been here since '92.
I've been here so long, whatever come up, I can make it work.
He's #1 on the seniority list, and he's got a lot of family members that work here.
They're very loyal people, they're hardworking. It's just cool how everybody can come together.
Custom Truck preaches the family values, and you see it in here every day. There's a lot of friendships and a lot of family that work inside this building.
The values for the care and respect is from management down to our team leads. We care about each other. We respect each other.
It's just a really good place to work. Gotten pretty close with a lot of people and everybody's like really, really cool. We try to have a little fun where we can.
You won't see me a day here not laughing. I know I got to provide for my family, and it's just a bonus that I like the people that I work with. I love the people I work with. They're amazing people.
My favorite part about my job is creating packets. I get to print out the prints for the trailers being made, making sure the welders have the prints that they need.
Specific job is to cut all these parts, and it brings some kind of like excitement when you know that the trailers are getting out and it starts from you. If no one's running this table, then you ain't getting no trailers.
We start out with tubs of parts and pellets of parts, stacks of axles, tires, wiring harnesses, all that stuff, and we all come together. Everybody does their part, pulling it all together. You know, making the gooseneck, making the deck, building the axles, painting it, getting it out the door to the customer.
It's manufacturing. So we take every part that comes from back in this warehouse and we hand it to production, and they take the parts that we give them and it comes out finished product as a whole trailer at the other end of the building.
Black, white, yellow are our standard colors. We do have a red. It's not very often they'll order custom colors, but when they do, we almost like the challenge. You know, it's something different. You know, seeing it go through, watching the people walk out of the paint booth, you're used to seeing them, you know, their suits are black, but when they walk out today, they look like Smurfs because they're all blue.
When you look at sparking innovation and taking new products to market, I mean, that's really what this location's known for. The belly dump, we were the first company to put one of those out there in the industry. Same thing with the mechanical fold that you'll see. It's actually what's in our logo, the Load King logo, so that's kind of cool. We're not afraid to bring new products to market and really push the envelope. So that has since morphed into our overall Load King brand. So we brought on rail bodies, we brought on utility bodies, chipper bodies, forestry.
You know, we still sell parts today for trailers that were built in the '70s and the '80s, and guys are still using them. I think that speaks volumes to the quality of work that goes into the trailer.
The difference between our product and anybody else's product is quality.
Ours are better. Load Kings are better.
They look good going down the road, and they're built with pride.
We make good trailer, very good trailer.
The product's been around forever. It's tried and true. It's built by a hardworking group of men and women that every day come in and they're giving their best.
Custom Truck was a small family-owned business that has grown into what it is today, and Load King is kind of the same way. I know my family's not a part of it anymore, but it's still the legacy that I get to be here every day and hope to be here for a long time.